Hello? Is this thing on? Oh, great. I'm Max's trusty computer. His digital sidekick, if you will. I've seen it all, every click, every frustrated groan, every, let's just say interesting search history. But hey, who am I to judge? I'm just a bunch of circuits and pixels, right? Anyway, let me tell you about my human Max.
Welcome to the world of Max. Aspiring affiliate marketing mogul and, well, let's just say he's still working on that second part.
Come on. There's gotta be a way to make this work.
Poor Max. He's been at this for weeks now. I've seen more get-rich-quick schemes than a late-night infomercial marathon. And don't get me started on his browser history.
Max, are you still chasing that online money dream? Remember, success isn't just about profits. It's about believing in yourself and persevering.
I know, sis, I'm trying, I really am.
Sarah, the voice of reason in this digital chaos. If only Max would listen to her more often. And maybe clean his room while he's at it. I swear I saw a half-eaten pizza come to life yesterday.
Max tried everything, from dancing banner ads to email campaigns that would make spam blush. But his earnings graph remained as flat as week-old soda.
Why isn't anything working?
Oh boy, here we go again. I can feel another tantrum coming. Quick, someone distract him before he starts using me as a punching bag.
Oh dear, can anyone help me with this confounded machine?
Mrs. Johnson, I'll be right there.
Saved by the technologically challenged neighbor. You know, for all his online struggles, Max sure knows his way around a real-world computer problem. Maybe he should try turning his affiliate marketing off and on again.
Thank you, Max. You're a lifesaver. Let me get my purse.
No need, Mrs. Johnson. I'm happy to help.
And there's the Max we all know and love. Heart of gold, that one. If only he could monetize kindness. Wait, can he? Is that a thing? Note to self. Search monetizing kindness later.
Little did Max know, his real journey was about to begin.
Huh? What's this?
Ooh, plot twist. An email that's not spam? Now that's a rare sight in my inbox. I'm as shocked as an outlet during a power surge.
Congratulations! You've been accepted into our exclusive affiliate marketing mentorship program. Wow!
Hold on to your hard drives, folks. Things are about to get interesting. I can feel my processors tingling.
Maybe I should just give up.
Come on, Max. Don't let a few setbacks crash your dreams. Reboot that determination. Control-Alt, delete those doubts.
No, I can do this. Here goes nothing.
And with that click, Max's world was about to change forever. Hold on to your mice, folks. This is where the real adventure begins.
Welcome back, users and usies. Did you miss me? Of course you did. I'm like a pop-up ad. Impossible to ignore. Now, where were we? Yes. Max was about to enter the Matrix. I mean, mentorship program. Buckle up, folks. This is going to be one wild ride through the interwebs.
This is incredible. It's like I'm inside the internet. I can almost feel the data flowing through me.
Careful, Max. Last time you were inside the internet, we both needed a good virus scan afterwards. And trust me, you don't want to know what kind of data is flowing through you right now.
Hoot hoot. Welcome, young Padawan. Affiliate marketer. I'm Alex, your mentor. Prepare yourself for a journey of knowledge, challenges, and occasional head-scratching confusion.
Wow, a talking owl. Nice to meet you, Alex. I have so many questions, like, how do you type with feathers? Do you prefer mice or keyboards?
A talking owl? Really? And here I thought I was the only one with an animal avatar. Buffering note to self. Update profile picture to a majestic eagle. Or maybe a sloth. Yeah, definitely a sloth. At least sloths have fingers. Sort of.
Yep. Don't worry, it gets easier with practice. Soon you'll be surfing the data streams like a pro.
Whoa, a talking fox now. This is getting better by the second.
What did you expect? A regular fox with a laptop? This is the internet, kid. Expect the unexpected. And maybe clear your browser history more often. You never know when a tech-savvy fox might start snooping around.
I'm Zara, your fellow mentee. Looks like we'll be learning together. Ready to dive into the deep end of the digital pool?
Great to meet you, Zara. I'm Max. I'm, still figuring things out. But I'm excited to learn. Even if I feel like I'm doggy paddling in the shallow end right now.
Understatement of the century, folks. Last week, he tried to like a billboard ad. In real life, with his actual thumb. Let's hope his digital skills improve faster than his real-world ones.
And so began Max's journey into the wild world of affiliate marketing, a realm where creativity meets technology, and where every brushstroke could lead to digital gold.
First, we'll learn about creating compelling content. Remember, in this world, your imagination is your most powerful tool.
Woohoo! This is amazing. It's like painting, but without the mess. Well, without the physical mess anyway.
Yep, that's the spirit, Max. Just remember, we're aiming for compelling content, not abstract expressionism.
Like this, I call it Internet Explosion in B-flat.
Yep, maybe a little less Jackson Pollock and a little more coherent. Remember, we're trying to attract customers, not scare them away.
Oh boy, if his content is anything like his room, we're in for a real treat. Chaos. Thy name is Max. I've seen more organized code in a toddler's first attempt at programming.
Now, let's tackle SEO. Search engine optimization is like solving a puzzle where the pieces keep changing shape.
Changing shape? But I barely understand them when they're standing still.
Don't worry, Max. It's just like solving a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded on a roller coaster. Easy peasy.
Oh no, this is harder than it looks. How do you even pronounce some of these keywords?
Hoot. Patience, young Max. SEO is an art form that takes time to master.
Yeah, and at this rate, we'll be here until the next software update, which, knowing my luck, will probably be right in the middle of this lesson.
Yep. Think of it like this. SEO is just telling search engines, hey, look at me. But you have to say it in their language.
Their language? Do I need to learn binary because I'm still struggling with English sometimes?
If only it were that easy. Last time Max yelled, "Look at me," he was escorted out of the library. Who knew they were so strict about indoor voices? Maybe we should start with library etiquette 101 inches before tackling SEO.
Time for email marketing. Remember, each of these planes carries an important message.
Wow. It's like air traffic control, but for words.
Just don't crash them into the spam folder, or we'll have a digital disaster on our hands.
To infinity and beyond. I mean, to the inbox and beyond. Watch out, digital world. Here comes email pilot Max.
Sigh, and people wonder why I have a spam folder. It's to protect myself from over-enthusiastic marketers like this guy. Buckle up, everyone. This could be a bumpy ride.
Yep, it's all about the soft landing, Max. You want your email to slide into their inbox, not crash through the roof.
Soft landing, got it? So less meteor impact and more falling leaf, right?
At this point, I'd settle for slightly damaged package over total email annihilation.
Oops. I guess that wasn't the soft landing we were going for, huh?
Yep. Don't worry, Max. Every crash is a learning opportunity.
Learning opportunity? More like a delete opportunity. That spam folder is going to need therapy after this.
Finally, let's discuss conversion rates. This is where visitors turn into valuable leads or customers.
So we're basically digital alchemists turning clicks into gold?
Yep. But remember, not every visitor will convert. It's about quality, not just quantity.
This is amazing. It's like a digital gold rush.
More like digital beggars at this point. But hey, a CPU can dream. Just don't get too excited and try to bite those coins. Trust me, it's not as satisfying as it looks.
Hoot. Remember, Max, with great conversion power comes great responsibility.
After weeks of training, Max was ready to launch his first campaign. The moment of truth had arrived.
Here goes nothing or everything or something in between. Oh boy, I hope this works.
Initiating launch sequence, T-3, 2, 1, liftoff, or in Max's case, possibly faceplant. Either way, it's going to be entertaining. Popcorn, anyone?
Is it working? I think it's working.
Yep. Look at those numbers climb. You're doing it, Max.
Well, butter my circuits and call me a calculator. The kid's actually pulling it off.
It's working. It's really working. I'm a digital marketing genius, a wizard of the web, a sorcerer of SEO.
Easy there, Merlin. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Remember, pride comes before a fall, and in your case, probably during and after the fall, too.
Hoot. Excellent work, Max. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey.
Yep, hooray. You did it, Max. Your first successful campaign.
Well, slap my hard drive and call me upgraded. The kid actually did it. I guess miracles do happen in the digital age.
Hoot. Well done, Max. But remember, this is just the beginning. The path of an affiliate marketer is long and full of challenges.
Uh-oh. I've seen enough movies to know that when someone says this is just the beginning, it usually means trouble is coming. Quick, someone cue the ominous music, and maybe prepare some digital tissues just in case. Welcome back, folks. Did you miss me? Now, where were we? Yes, our boy Max was having his digital dark night of the soul.
No, I'm not giving up. Not now, not ever.
Whoa, talk about a dramatic turnaround. I haven't seen a reboot this impressive since the last time I crashed.
Alex, Zara, I'm back. I want to rebuild my campaigns, but this time I want to focus on providing real value.
Hoot hoot. Now you're thinking like a true affiliate marketer, Max. Let's get to work.
Look, it's actually working.
Hoot. You've learned well, Max. Your success isn't just about profits anymore, is it?
No, it's about growth, perseverance, and helping others. The money is just a nice bonus. I did it. I really did it.
Max, what's all this excitement about?
Look, sis, I finally cracked the code.
And by crack the code, he means he finally figured out how to use me properly. You're welcome, Max.
Max, dear, thanks to your help, I've started my own online knitting business.
Yip yip hooray, congrats Max. You've come a long way.
Thanks, everyone. But this is just the beginning. Now, I want to help others achieve their dreams, too.
And so Max's journey came full circle. From struggling beginner to successful mentor, he had truly mastered the art of affiliate marketing.
And thus, our tale comes to an end. But fear not, dear viewers, for in the world of the internet, every end is just a new beginning, or a chance to hit refresh.